A new baby doesn't need a bigger income. It needs a plan. This is the new baby first-year budget and cost planner, a spreadsheet that adds up the one number nobody adds up: what a baby's first year actually costs before the baby arrives. Because the scary part was never the crib. It's the total, the gear, 12 months of diapers and daycare, and the paycheck you quietly lose on leave, all sitting in one honest sum, computed for you instead of dreaded by you. You've stared at a registry, wondering what it all really adds up to, and then closed the tab. So meet the Bennetts, the sample family who ship inside this file, shown honestly as sample data. Maya and Ethan take home $6,500 a month, and their first baby is due in 5 months. Every number in this video comes from their real, recalculated workbook. And the dashboard opens on the honest truth: they're 30% ready. That's not a scolding. It's a starting line, and a plan to close the rest. The dashboard is the whole first year on one screen. 5 headline numbers, and each one is live from a tab you can open and check. Monthly baby costs, $1,720. The parental leave income gap, $7,994. What's still left to save before the due date? $9,114. Which the sheet turns into a calm monthly target of $1,823. No number here is typed twice. Change one input, and the whole dashboard resolves itself. Here's the cost nobody quotes you: the paycheck you stop earning while you're home. The parental leave calculator does that math parent by parent. Maya takes 10 weeks, 6 of them paid, and loses $5,317. Ethan takes 6 weeks and loses $2,677. Together, a $7,994 gap, real money you need saved before leave starts, and it lands right when your gear spending peaks. Put it in the plan. Childcare is the biggest recurring line, so the file lays the options side by side in real dollars. Daycare runs $1,200 a month, 18% of the Bennetts take home. A nanny, roughly double, at $2,400, 37%. Family care, 0 in cash. No judgment anywhere on this tab. Just the real trade-off, priced out. So the decision is yours to make with your eyes open. And it answers the question that keeps new parents up at night. Should one of us just stay home? Staying home isn't free. It costs the lower earner's paycheck, $2,900 a month. But daycare would eat $1,200 of that anyway. So working actually nets $1,700 a month. That's the honest difference, in dollars, with no spin. Change the numbers to fit your life, and the trade-off resolves itself. Every baby budget lists the gear. This one does something smarter. It separates what you'll buy from what a registry will cover. Mark each item buy or registry, and the sheet tells you the truth. For $1,075 of gear, but gifts cover $1,455 of it. So your real out-of-pocket for setup is $2,620. That's the number that flows into your plan, not the sticker price everyone else quotes you. Now the number this whole file is built to give you: $2,620 for setup, plus $20,640 for 12 months of baby costs, plus that $7,994 leave gap. Add it up once, and there it is, $31,254, the true first year. Yes, it's a bigger number than a registry ever shows you. But a number you can plan for is so much lighter to carry than a fear you can't. One honest minute under the hood. This planner runs 226 formulas. Before a single screen you've seen was filmed, the workbook was recalculated clean, 0 formula errors, and it passed 33 of 33 independent math checks. Every screen in this video is that real file, not a mock-up. There are no invented reviews here and no fear-mongering. Just your own numbers, quietly doing the worrying for you. One workbook, Excel, and Google Sheets. So here's the invitation. Open the Start Here tab, type your income and your due date, and in a few minutes you'll have your number, the true cost of your baby's first year, and exactly what to set aside each month to be ready for it. The new baby first year budget and cost planner is $17.97, one time, with free lifetime updates. Find it on Etsy. The link is in the description. Walk in with a number, not a knot in your stomach.